Hey guys, it's Yvette, and we're in the single digits. Oh my goodness, how did we get here? So welcome to day 16 of my Vlogmas. I, as usual, have my advent calendars to open. Right at this specific moment, I do not have a Jellybean. I don't know what they're doing right now. They made me give them snacks. I gave them snacks, and then they were fighting. I have no idea if they're gonna come up here and, you know, participate with me or what. Kind of a kooky night. And so far, no little sweetie. But it's really cold, and tomorrow... Well, like tomorrow night, I think they said that we're supposed to, oh, here's Jellybean. They said that we're supposed to start getting snow tomorrow night or tomorrow afternoon after like 2. And then, you know, they always tell you this giant astronomical number of inches of snow that you're going to get. And they're saying that we could get up to 16 inches of snow. I will be shocked like nobody's business if we actually get 16 inches of snow. I mean, seriously, guys. They said we were going to get like, I don't remember, 4 or 5 inches like a couple of weeks ago or something like that. We got nothing. Not a darn thing. So, I don't know. It's like, I know that we should like take it seriously or whatever, but it's hard to take it seriously when it's like they say something and then there's absolutely nothing. There's like some rain. Anyway, so we could be snowed in. You know, no, but anyway. Anyway, so I have no idea what Jellybean's doing, but let's go ahead and start opening these advent calendars. I am going to open the cotton cuts first. So here we go. Jellybean, here we go with cotton cuts. Okay, buddy? I'm just going to pull out number 16. If I can get the lid off. I know you want to come in here and eat the paper. I know you do. I know he does. You know what? At the very end, you get the box and the paper and everything, dude. Okay? Everything, I promise. Okay, so here is Fat Quarter. Our Fat Quarter for day number 16. And I did see, I think it's Stephanie has been posting, or she just started posting her Fat Quarters that she's getting from Cotton Cuts. And hers are different from mine. I think she had like a couple of them that might have been the same. But everything else has been different. I like what she got too, so I'm excited. Okay, so our little quote today is, believe you can and you are halfway there. Do you believe it, Jellybean? Do you believe it? You believe you can do it, buddy? Yeah? He believes it. Yeah, he's a believer. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Okay, here is our Fat Quarter for today. I love it. Look at this. It's so, like, wintry. And it's green, which I wouldn't expect. But it does have that light blue behind the green, like, snowflake. I'm calling it, like, a snowflake. That's very nice. Jellybean's trying to knock the paper down so that he can just lay there. Okay, hold on, buddy. Let's see if there's a selvage with writing. There is! Okay. It says, oh, this is from 2015. It is a fabric line called Postcards for Santa by Jen Allison for My Mind's Eye for Riley Blake. Yay! I love this. I think it's really pretty. I really think that's pretty. I like it. Okay, so that is the Fat Quarter. Now, let's move on to Stitch Supply Company. And we're going to open number 16. Here we go. Jellybean, you gonna help me out, buddy? It's this one right here. It's this one. All right, so it's got a bunch of squigglies in it. I know, JB. Oh, this is exciting. It looks like it's one of my favorite things are in here. Today's a good day. Okay, well, they're not real exciting. Oh, well, yeah, okay, sort of. Okay, it's washi tape, guys. And they are by KP Creates. And that's the name of the company where they got them, I'm assuming. Which thing, buddy? You still looking for nip? I think there's nip in there, buddy. We got 2 rolls. This one, it looks like it says based, quilt, that says bind. So I don't know if it's just those 3 words or what. Okay, at first all I saw was based and I got nervous. But then I saw quilt and I'm pretty sure the other one is bind, and now I'm okay. I'm good. I'm all right. It's just I tend to go for like cutesy type of washi tape, like I don't know, like anyways, I'm not even going to go there. I love washi tape. I'm very excited that we got this. This is also from KP Creates, and this one is like, well, I mean, it's got some quilt blocks on it, and then there's like a couple of flowers, but then maybe that's supposed to be a flower, but it hasn't bloomed yet. I'm not sure. What do y'all think that is? This right here. You think that's like, it looks almost like it's the, you know, like whenever you get tulips to plant and they are bulbs. Those sort of look like the bulbs. And then we have all of the quilt squares on there. And there's the roses, and there's a big daisy flower there. Okay, so these are cute. They're probably not ones that I would pick on my own. So I'm happy to have those because that's just not the direction I go. But I love washi tape, like a lot. I love washi tape. I have never found a washi tape, I don't think, that I didn't at least, that I didn't like. I mean, seriously, I love washi tape. Okay, and last we have the Stitchy box. Jellybean, let's find number 16, buddy. We have to find number 16. Ooh, it's a big one. Hold on, let me close up the box. It's a big one. And it feels kind of like it bends and it's mushy. Day 16. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, day 16 is, sorry, oh, I think that says Ada on the bottom. It is oh my goodness, who am I? Did I just do that on the camera? I'm turning into some kind of uncouth person here. Oh, I am so sorry. I don't even know where that came from. Day 16. FOAW. I'm sure it stands for something. Jellybean? What? Are you trying to get us to check your ears, buddy? What is this on you? I guess it's all right. Oh, jeez. Of course, I can't really... Oh, I can move it a little bit. Okay. FOAW ombre fabric. A fabulous ombre stitching fabric from Fiber on a Whim. FOAW, Fiber on a Whim. Created specifically for this shipment. And it is 14 count Ada. That's what she has written below, but it looks like it's like handwritten. And it's so tiny that I can tell that's a 14, but I couldn't tell what was after that. And then I just kind of used like some deductive properties or something. Okay, well, this is what it looks like. And of course you won't be able to see a thing because you got a cat in front of you. But it goes like that. Okay, be honest, guys. Like, would you use this? Like, would you really use this? What would you use it on? Like, what could you possibly make where this fabric wouldn't be so distracting? Is it just me? I mean, like, if I'm using quilting cotton, then there's plenty of applications for quilting cotton that is ombre. But this is like, it's dramatic, right? So seriously, guys, please, all flossers out there, tell me what you would put on here. What kind of pattern could you put on here that the ombre fabric like this actually complements it instead of taking away from it? I really want to know, because honestly, this box, it just flusters me and has me like aghast. I don't even know what other word to use, because I'm thinking of this in terms of, you know, I mean, it's not like I'm even new to cross stitching. I've been cross stitching since I was a kid. I don't understand how these products that I've been getting, other than some of the floss, and I think we got one pattern. I don't get it. I don't know. Maybe it's for like people who are really artistic with their cross stitching. I don't know. I'm just kind of at a loss. And if you guys know, like, if there, what, please help. I mean, I'm probably gonna just give all of this away, because I wouldn't know the first thing to do with it, because this is not my type of cross stitch. Okay, I feel like I'm just going on and on like a broken record. I really don't want to, and I don't want to sound all negative. I really truly don't get it. Just truly, I don't get it. Jellybean, everybody's gonna love that spot right there that you just did. You're gonna steal the entire show just like that. Jim just got home and opened the garage, and so that piqued his interest. What's up, JB? What you doing, buddy? Are you going to go see Daddy? You think he's going to give you more snacks because he doesn't know that you just had snacks? Cats do that too. Okay, I have another video that I need to make after this one, so I'm going to go ahead and shut down the day 16 video so that I can go and make the second one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 17. We're getting closer and closer to seeing the big guy, and you know, I can't wait. I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank you so much for coming. Love y'all to bits. You know I do. Mwah.